Happy Friday, everybody. Today, of course, is the 29th of January, 2021. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. First, we're going to check out what's going on for today through the weekend. Then we're going to take a look at what may be happening in the long-range forecast. Could we have a possible nor'eastern coming somewhere around Valentine's Day, especially for portions of Delmarva, New Jersey, Long Island, moving up into Maine? There's a lot of variables in this. It could happen, it could not happen. But first, let's get on with it today. So as I turn on my future radar, you see the timestamps. Heavy rain, flash flooding, wind down across portions of Southern California today. Coastal rain and higher elevation snow return to the Pacific Northwest Saturday and Sunday. And snow and rain and freezing rain is probably going to develop over parts of the Midwest Saturday into Sunday. Now, a front over California and the Great Basin, it will move eastward into the Ohio Valley by Sunday. This system will produce rain and higher elevation snow over parts of central and southern California before migrating into the southwest and part of the central southern Rockies through this evening. Meanwhile, snow will extend from the northern Intermountain region into the Great Basin. Now, as this system moves out of the southern Rockies and into the southern plains, moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico is going to move northward over the southern plains into the Mississippi Valley. The storm will produce rain with embedded thunderstorms over parts of the southern plains, with the rain shifting into the middle Mississippi Valley Saturday afternoon, the Ohio-Tennessee valleys by Saturday evening. But if you do have these thunderstorms pop up, they should not be severe. Now, overnight Saturday, the rain's going to advance into parts of the southeast and the southern mid-Atlantic. With respect to the northern extent of the system, as it moves into the plains, some light snow will begin to develop over parts of the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley overnight tonight. By tomorrow, snow will extend and expand into parts of the upper Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. Along the rain-snow line, rain and freezing rain areas will develop over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley. As you can see, where it starts out and wherever you see the red, this is freezing rain and ice, folks. Now, it's looking like overnight Saturday, the snow's going to move into parts of the central and southern Appalachians and the mid-Atlantic. Meanwhile, we got a front approaching the Pacific Northwest. It will weaken while another boundary will begin to move into the northwest by Sunday. Late Friday into Saturday, coastal rain and higher elevation snow will develop over parts of the Pacific Northwest and Northern California. The rain and snow will continue into Sunday morning. Additionally to all that, we have an upper level energy. It's going to aid in producing lake effect snow downwind from the lower Great Lakes through this evening. Here we have a look at the latest GFS run courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Now, I'm just going to turn it on and let it play right quick here. You can see as it marches through here Saturday, we have this low coming in right here. It will go right on through until around pretty close Valentine's Day. You can see the system that is going to work offshore and move up. This is by Wednesday right here. Little bit of snow coming up in this area with the greater snow out in the Midwest. But as this system gets collected with the cold air coming down, you can see now we're up to the 6th. It moves on offshore. We do have some snow, but it's not that drastic of snow. But now we're up to the 8th. You can see how it's moving along right on through this period. And we have a low around the 10th that gets off the coast. And then you can see, let's stop this a moment. We'll run it back right quick. Here we go. We have this low off the coast of North Carolina. As it progresses through, Look at all of this snow. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but this is the 11th. It's looking like that there is a possibility of some heavier snow that's going to happen. Now, there's a lot of variables in this. There's going to be a 3-point low mix-up. There's going to be this high coming down. You can see the blue dots. This cold air is going to be coming down. The only ones that are actually going to be warm are right along the coastlines here and down in Florida, moving up into mid-Texas. All of this portion of the U.S., cold temperatures is what's going to be happening. So, I've looked up some of the stuff. I've read, I don't know how much, since 4 o'clock this morning, looking like that maybe New Jersey could get 4 to 5 inches of snow at this time. Not saying that this is going to happen yet. It's a little ways out. Moving right on up Delmarva, you can get some snow. Looking like right on up through Long Island, you could get some snow, and I'm talking like 3, 4, 5 inches, especially in the eastern sections of Long Island. Not saying this is going to happen. We're going to have to keep our eyes on it, and as it moves across, it goes up into Maine, South China, Maine. You could get some snow as this low is right off your coast. Now, like I say, there's a lot of variables. A lot of things can happen. It depends on if the backside draws this cold air down, like it just did in eastern North Carolina yesterday. We had some snow. How much you'll get, I don't know yet. It's too early to tell, but it is something to keep your eyes on and watch. So please pay attention in the coming days. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for everything you do for me. And may each and every one of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your life. Thanks for watching.